Alright guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to do the spinning rocket launcher. Well, I did it wrong that time. Yeah, see? Look. I wouldn't do this really in public lobbies, but like if you're joining a fan lobby that you like know people and you trust people, you can do it if they're not gonna steal it. But yeah, alright, so you're gonna hold your hand, you're gonna flick it and then drop. So like I think I can do it better. Well, there you guys go.